Hello everyone, I am Saranya, Assistant Professor in the Department of Graphics and Creative Design of Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about the dynamic paradigm in computer modeling and animation. Unit 1, GUI in Blender. The Blender interface, the GUI. The GUI is nothing but the graphical user interface. The Blender graphical user interface is designed to be a flexible and powerful, catering to various workflows. The GUI is composed of multiple editors, each serving a specific purpose, such as modeling, animation, texturing, and rendering. These editors can be customized and rearranged to suit the user's need. The graphical user interface, that is GUI, is the arrangements of windows and panel that allows you, the operator, to interact with the computer program. Key components of GUI. Header. Located at the top of each editor, the header provides menus and options specific to that editor. Everyone know each and every applications or each and every software contains the header file, header menu. In the header menu only we have the file, edit, view, save as, everything will be inside the header file. The next is sidebar. The sidebar contains the tool settings and properties relevant to the current context. When we are choosing the particular tool, according to the tool, the properties window and everything will be present in the sidebar. Next is status bar. Status bar is located at the bottom of the each and every screen. It helps to tooltips and current operation status. In the current status bar, it denotes the where we are working and how the tooltips is using, what is the current operation status, everything will be mentioned in the status bar. The next is editor types. The Blender includes editor types like 3D viewport, shader editor, timeline, UV editor, and etc. These are some of the key components of GUI. In this screen, you can see this is the Blender interface screen. In this, we can see the header file, that is file, edit, render, window, help. These are the header file. In the side, we can see the location, rotation, scale, and everything is the sidebar. And here also in the left hand side we have the tool, that also a sidebar. In the topmost we can see the play, stop, and forward, backward button, that is the status bar. This is the screen of the Blender screen. In the center only we are working space, that is the where we are working, that will be mentioned in the center space. This is the another screen. We can see the tools panel in the left side button, expansion button, so that is minimize, maximize, and close button, that is a expansion button. Splash screen is nothing but when we are using the tool splash, the screen will be appear. The click to delete, click to insert, cube. Cube is the default object that is present in the Blender screen. This is one of the GUI present in the Blender. The next is customization. We can customize the Blender screen according to our option. The first one is splitting and merging. Second one is changing editor types. Third one is workspace. Splitting and merging is nothing but splitting the whole Blender screen into multiple sections, and also we can merge them. After splitting, after working in that, we can merge together using the splitting and merging. Second one is changing editor types. In this, we can change the one type to another type by selecting in the header file. The next is workspace. The Blender comes with the predefined workspace. That is you can see small box like that is a workspace. It includes a specific tasks such as layout, modeling, sculpting, UV editing, and more. This is the custom workspace. The user is working in the workspace. Here, this is another screen of the Blender. In the top, you can see the editor menu bar. The next is you can see the graph like one image, the center screen, that is the workspace. Here only the user is working with the shapes or with the design or everything. Next is the Blender screen. The Blender screen is also known as the screen layout. It is the arrangements of different text editor with the Blender interface. The screen layout can be tailored to fit different stages of the project. Next is key element, 3D viewport. The main area where 3D modeling and scene interaction take place. It supports multiple view modes, wireframe, solid, material preview and rendered. Outliner. The next is the hierarchical view of all objects in the scene, allowing for easy selection and organization. Properties editor provides detailed settings and properties for active object, scene, world and more. Timeline used for animation, showing keyframes and allowing for playback control. This three is the these four elements are the most important thing in the Blender screen. You can see the properties window, the outliner window, that there you can see the which tools we are using, that is in the 3D viewport we can see the which type we are using, that is cube or wireframe, or where we are working and what tools we are using, that we can see. Next is outliner window, we can see the settings of the particular objects. The timeline window is used to display the keyframe, that is using the play button we can use the timeline window. Next is property window, that is resolution, rotation, angle, position, that everything will be come under the properties window. Managing screen layout. The managing screen layout contains through two types. One is switching layout, second one is custom layout. User can switch between the different screen layout using the drop down menu at the top arm of the interface. Second one is custom layout. The layout can be saved or named for a easy access later. This is useful for switching between different stages of the project. This is the managing screen layout in the Blender. Thank you.